Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you will learn how to export and import tables in MySQL Workbench. So let's start the video. First of all, open your MySQL Workbench and select a database from which you want to export any table. So I will select a Facebook database because I want to export likes table. So what I will do, I will select all the records from that table, and once the result is appear in a result grid, you will find options called as export and import. Click on the export option and select a location where you want to save that file and hit on save button. So this is how export is done in MySQL, guys. Now we will learn how to import tables in MySQL Workbench. We can do it in two different ways. One is importing a new table into the database, and another one is importing the records for an already existing table. First, we will learn how to import a new table into the database. So what I will do is I will drop the likes table from Facebook database. Let me drop. Now I will import the same file which we just exported. Okay, so for that what I will do is I will select all the records from comments table. Once the result is appeared in a result grid, I will select import option, and there I will select the file which we just exported. Let me select and click on open. Once it is selected, click on next, and it will ask you two options. One is use the existing table and use or create a new table. Here we are creating a new table into Facebook, so I will select a create a new table and click on next. After that, check all the column names and all the data types along with the records. Now click on next, click on next and finish. Now refresh your schema, and there you will find all the records which we exported. Okay, this is how we can import a new table into the database. Now second one is importing a records for an already existing table. So what I'm gonna do is I will change the Excel file which we exported. What I will do is I will change like ID from 6 to 10. Okay, and I will import these records into the likes table which is already present in MySQL Workbench. Okay, let me show you how to do that. So first of all, I will select any tables all record, then I will click on import option, and then one more thing guys, after changing the records from CSV file, you have to save that file. It's very important. Okay, after that you can close this. Now come back to this location, and here you have to select the same file which you just saved and click on open and click on next, and here you have to choose a option called as use a existing table and select a table to which you want to add a records. Okay, in our case we are adding the records to a likes table. Okay, now click on next, and you have to check the column names guys, it's very important. This is a source column, this is a destination column. Both files must contain the same column name, same data types and same data format. Okay, these rules are most important while importing the records for already existing table. Okay, always check the data or records, then click on next, 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 next and finish. Now let me refresh and select all the records from likes table. Okay, now you can see here our data are added into the likes table. You can see here 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like IDs. This is how we can import the records for an already existing table in MySQL. In this video only this much. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much.